In Collier County, Florida, a patrol deputy notices a white Dodge speeding down the road at dangerously high speed. The deputy turns around and begins pursuit. As the chase continues, the driver loses control, colliding with several vehicles while trying to escape, leaving a trail of damage and chaos across U.S. Highway 41.
Cigar bar just got out. Stop. Turn around.
I just got out of it.
I don't care. Just get in. Turn over. Turn over. Turn over.
I need help.
Yeah, you need a lot of help.
I was just in the jail.
Put your arm back around behind you.
Please help me.
Put your arm behind your back.
I'm detoxing. I'm sorry.
Start listening. Shut up and stop listening.
And put your hand behind your back. Quit resisting. Put your hands behind your back.
You've already hit like 5 people.
Yeah, I'm one of them.
Now stand up. Naples, 3 off 11, 1 in custody.
Your blood, brother? That must be her phone. I don't know.
Yeah. You walking back to my car?
Yeah, my car will do.
So you one that got hit?
Yeah.
Okay.
1033 on that 35, 1033 on 35.
Naples, the address will be 4424 Timmy Trail. Ventino Cigar Bar.
Oh no.
She wrecked in the ditch.
Oh no. I can't go back. I can't go back.
3 off of 31. Can you be 51 to search her?
Please. Please. I
So
don't
put her right
want
here in front now.
I don't have
Whose car is that?
My son's. He's at the hospital. He just went to the hospital.
Yes. You still up on the
My
dash?
son's in the hospital right now. I was just there with him. Please. Please listen. Can I tell you what happened?
Well, I know what happened. I said that when you did it.
I got out of jail and we went to the bail squad. My son was taking me.
So far, I think she's hit 3 to 5 people all the way down 41.
I got damage on that vehicle.
Was there anybody in the car with you?
No.
Traffic unit to assist with the crashes.
How many people she hit you and who else?
I don't know. I was just waiting at the light. Yeah. Crashed into the. She pulled in through without being told.
Okay.
Oh, please help me. Please help me. Please.
Did you have anything on you?
Yeah, no.
I got another female deputy
I don't
coming.
have anything on me.
Well, now this lady got hit too.
Okay.
I don't have anything on me.
Just stay right here.
I don't have anything.
I didn't get her name or anything. She has her son's car.
Okay.
My son just went to the hospital. Okay, he picked me up from.
So is it Bayshore, 41 at Bayshore? And she's like coming right at me. Hits the curb, blows her tire, and just like the whole way down, like swerving all over the place. Unbelievable. Is it off?
I'm probably gonna have to put something in the
Oh, yeah, see if you can do that. Okay, oh, yeah, we're good. I got plenty of help. You can 22 for us. Are you Janice?
Yeah.
Janice Hill?
Yeah.
193, 311. Where do I need to respond to first? What area?
I want to say it was Palm. I believe a couple of the victims are at my scene at the cigar bar on 41. She was.
You didn't lose a knife, did you?
No, mine's in my pocket. She crashed. She took off running.
She ran?
So stop. She said no, and I was like, and she's like stopped, and I guess the guys ran out of here. The other guy ran out.
They smoking
She
here?
just hit me. The guy in the white truck.
Yeah, she pulled up in front of me.
Because I'm on 41, going to turn left on Bayshore, and she's like, oh, telling the ride along. And I see her coming, like, switching lanes. I was like, oh, and I didn't say nothing. She's coming fast, but right where you're on the far left lane to take the turn, she nailed the curb, and it's like, I thought she's going to pull over, so I was following, and all of a sudden she's speeding up. I'll see a smoke, and she's swerving. I was like, uh-oh.
Oh, good stuff.
Split. Just got out.
Yeah, nice. Was that today?
Yeah. And that's her son's car.
It hurt. It's hurting my arm.
Be quiet. That's why you shouldn't run or resist.
What's her name?
It's her son's car. She just totaled it. So.
What's her name? Noah Haley?
No, that's her son. Janice. Yeah, she looks kind of familiar.
Yeah,
She
just got out. She just came from the bond off.
According to the Collier County Sheriff's Office, the driver had been released from jail less than an hour before this pursuit began. She got out and within minutes made choices that would send her right back.
1, 2, 3, the hit and runs. Yeah. Was that it? That's the only thing. Yeah. I think there's nobody else called in. I guess I didn't hear nothing. I haven't been listening.
No, I haven't heard any more.
Just the one down there and then these two.
Okay, that's 3. Okay. The charges I get, every one is going to be a charge. So.
Yeah.
All right.
Do you know why now that she's a big girl? Why she goes to jail for?
This is hers. It fell out on her little 2-mile-an-hour run.
I was gonna say, did she really run though?
It was really slow through the ditch and got up there to the sidewalk and just sat down.
Did you feel like you were watching The Walking Dead while she was running? Because I feel like that's similar.
I thought she was gonna disappear on me, but she's like, and those guys are already running out.
That's
The
why I
guy
was
in the white
laughing.
truck got
Like,
mad
is she
because
running from you. I was like, she's probably really was speed on her.
yeah, she's a real slow run.
She now faces multiple charges: reckless driving, hit and run, and resisting arrest under Florida law. Hitting a car and driving away is not just an accident anymore. It is a separate felony for every single vehicle you leave behind. Florida also makes it a felony to flee from law enforcement, especially when other people get hurt along the way, and even slowing down without stopping does not protect you from those charges. One bad decision rarely stays one bad decision. The moment she kept driving after that first collision, every second added another consequence. Stopping would have changed everything. She never stopped. Freedom is fragile. It takes years to earn back, and sometimes less than an hour to lose again. If there is one thing this footage shows, it is that no situation is too far gone to make worse. A sobering reminder that poor choices can erase freedom in an instant. She walked out of jail with a second chance, and within the hour that chance was gone, not because of bad luck, not because of circumstance, but because of choices made one after another, with no moment to pause and reconsider. For more real police encounters and uncut body cam footage, don't forget to subscribe and join the channel for exclusive content.